Hello students, Miss Poonam this side. So today we will start our next chapter, chapter 3, Plant Kingdom. Under that we will be talking about the different divisions of plant. We had brief introduction of Kingdom Plantae in our chapter 2. In this chapter we will be going to discuss Plant Kingdom in detail. So let's start the class. In today's class, we will be having the brief introduction, what we are supposed to discuss in the entire chapter. So first of all, you can have a look of topics to be covered: classification, numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, chemataxonomy, algae, reproduction in algae, bryophytes, reproduction in bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, life cycle and alteration of generation. So these are topics we have to cover under this chapter. So first of all, we will have a talk about classification. Classification. Different scientists have classified the plant according to their different features. So we'll have the look of three different type of classification. First one is artificial system of classification that was given by the Linnaeus, and this classification was based on androecium structure and the vegetative characters. And the second one, natural system of classification, it was based on the natural affinities among the organism. Under that, external and the internal features were included, and this classification was given by George Bentham and J.D. Hooker. And the next type of classification, that was the phylogenetic system of classification. This was given by the Hudson. So these scientists have given the different classification based on their different features. Here is another important term that is called the numerical taxonomy. What exactly the numerical taxonomy? These are carried out using the computer based on all observable characteristics, data processed after assigning number and codes to all the characters. It means that whatever plants we are observing, and we have to give the number to that particular plants and with respect to their characteristics. Likewise, we can maintain the data with number and code can be given all the characters. What is the advantage of this type of taxonomy? Each character gets equal importance and a number of characters can be considered. कि जितने हमें characters पता चल रहे हैं वो हमें बिल्कुल clear रहेंगे. This is the main important advantage of this taxonomy, that is numerical taxonomy. Cytotaxonomy, it is all about, it is based on the cytoplasm studies, cytological information, and it gives importance to the chromosomal number, how many pair of chromosomes are present, what is the structure and behavior of that particular chromosome during the meiosis, and the taxonomic studies. They also give some idea about the genetic relationship. Next important term is chemotaxonomy. As the name suggests, it is based on the chemical constituents of plant which different from species to species, because all of the plants have some different chemicals constituents, and in some cases they are very restricted to the certain taxa. They are valuable character for all the plant classification, because by each of the single character we can classify the plants. The classification plants on the basis of chemical content, so that it is called as chemotaxonomy, or we can also say the chemical taxonomy. So it was all about few important terms that was given in the introductory part of the chapter. In the next class, we will be talking about the first division of the plant, that is the algae and the types of algae. So thank you so much. See you in the next class with the division algae. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.